Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sudarshan Ahir. Today we are going to learn about geographical factors affecting on population distribution. Population distribution means the pattern of where people live. All of us know population and population densities both are unequally distributed in the world. The term population distribution refers to the way how people are spaced over the Earth's surface. When we compare the distribution of the world population, we need to consider factors that are: first one is physical factors, and second one is human factors. Today we are going to learn about physical factors affecting on population distribution, which contains, like, first one is relief. It's also called landforms. It means mountains, plateaus and plains. Second one is climate. Third one is availability of water, and last one is soils. Here it is image. See in the landforms like mountains, plateaus and plains. Let us have a look on the physical factors one by one, like mountains, plateau and plains. First we discuss mountains. Mountains have steep slope, heavy soil erosion, therefore agriculture cannot be practiced. All of us know cover the ups and downs due to lack of plain land. Agriculture and industries cannot be developed. Mountains area have heavy rainfall or cold climate, which is not suitable for agriculture. Uneven topography, construction and maintenance of transport facility is very difficult. Difficulty in movement of people due to poor transport facilities, cold climate, limited sources of living discourage the people to live in mountainous areas. Hence, mountainous regions have low density of population. For example, Himalayas, Alps and Andes mountains, as well as Dehradun, etc. The next platforms in this category is plateaus. A plateau is a flat, elevated landform that rises sharply above the surrounding area on the least one side. It's also called as a tableland. All of us know in plateaus area we find number of minerals. Areas with minerals deposits have population. For example, Chota Nagpur plateaus in India. The next landforms in these categories is plains. Agriculture, which is the main source of food, can be practiced better on the plain land. Plains have many rivers which provide water for irrigation and industries. The rivers can be used for cheap water transport. Transport facilities like roads, railway lines or canals can be constructed easily. Hence, population is densely distributed on flat plains. For example, Ganga plains in India. Here it is world map. It indicates how physical factors, it means relief, impact on population distribution as well as population density. Here, the green color indicates high population density in Ganga Valley. On other hand, red color shows low population density on Himalayas. The next physical factor is climate. All of us know extreme climate areas are avoided for human settlement. Very hot or cold deserts or regions with very heavy rainfall are uncomfortable for human habitations. They have less population. Areas with an equivalent climate where there is not much seasonal variation attract more people. For example, Mediterranean regions. In cold climates, only people like the Eskimos and Lapps who are highly adapted to such climates can live in these regions. Equatorial regions are very sparsely populated because of due to hot and humid climate, extreme rainfall, as well as unhealthy climatic conditions and dense forest growth. For example, Amazon lowland and Congo basin. Here it is world map. It shows how physical factors, means climate, affect on population distribution as well as population density. Here also the green color shows high population density in UK because we find here healthy and prosperous climatical condition. On other hand, red color shows low population density in Alaska because of cold climate. Next physical factor is availability of water. All of us know it is the most important factor for life for all living beings, including man. So people prefer to live in areas where fresh or potable water is easily available. If water is available, activities like agriculture, fishing, animal rearing, setting up of industries, etc. can be carried on. It is because of this that river valleys and coastal areas are among the most densely populated area of the world. We can have example of Nile Valley and coastal plains of India are one of the most densely populated areas of the world. Dense population around in oasis is the best example of how people are attracted wherever is a water supply. In desert, two population is found near oasis. For example, Hanrobi from the desert and Al Asha from Saudi Arabia. Here it is world map. It shows how physical factors, it means water, affect on population distribution as well as population density. Here also green color shows high population density in east coast of China because of availability of water. On other hand, red color shows low population density in Arabian Peninsula because of lack of water facilities. The next physical factor is soils. Fertile soils are important for agriculture and related activities. Therefore, areas which have fertile loamy soils have more people living on them, as this can support intensive agriculture The floodplains of the river like Mississippi, the Ganga, the Irrawaddy, the Yangtze are examples of areas having high density of population in the world. Similarly, areas having regular or black soils are also densely populated. We can have example of state of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh of India. The slopes and foothills of many volcanoes have high densities of population as their slopes are covered with fertile volcanic soils. We can have examples of the slopes and foothills of volcanoes in Java and Japan. If a dormant volcano erupts someday, these settlements may face disasters. They may face economic losses and loss of life. For example, the photograph shows people leaving their places after an eruption in Mount Agag in Bali. Here, world map shows how physical factors, it means soils, affect on population distribution as well as population density. Here also, the green color shows high population density in Netherlands because of we find here fertile soils and it supports also agricultural practices. On the other side, the red color shows low population density, for example Amazon, because of lack of fertile soils. Here at a glance, world population distribution shows in this map. There are two types of hemisphere. First one is northern hemisphere and second one is southern hemisphere. According to this map, it shows that population density is found in northern hemisphere compared of northern hemisphere. In this map, those areas we found coastal area, plain area and river basin, we find high population density. On the other hand, North Pole and South Pole, we find cold climates, that's why the population density is low. Also, the equatorial region, the climate is very cold, that's why the population density is very low. So students, it's your task, it means exercise. Here are some physical factors affecting the distribution of population. Fill in the suitable examples of countries or regions in the following table. There are three columns. First one is physical factors, second one is high density and third one is low density. Here also three types of physical factors. First one is relief, second one is climate and third one is resource. So, as per our video, how physical factors, it means relief, impact on population density, it means high population density or low population density. So, you fill in the suitable example of countries or regions in the following table. Thank you so much.